Well, this is my life today. Here's the sad part. I have two walk-behind snowblowers, and I can't use either one of them. One of them's leaking fuel. The other one, the auger belt cut. And while I was able to find a replacement belt for it over the summer, I screwed around and didn't get it replaced. Because who would have thought we'd have a winter storm a couple days before Christmas that would drift up 18 inches of snow over parts of my driveway and in front of my barn. Making it sting twice as bad is I have a tractor, a 25 horsepower Mahindra subcompact tractor with a bucket on the front end that I can't use because the last day mowing I managed to rip the joystick for the hydraulics right off the tractor. So that means I'm out here in the balmy 20 degrees, which compared to a couple of days ago where it didn't get above zero, I'll take this. What's sad is I have to do this because even though I have an F450 four-wheel drive dually pickup truck, I can't drive it more than 1 or 2 inches of snow, because if I do, it just sits and spins. Because since it's kind of a commercial truck, it has commercial tires on it, which means no traction in snow. Great for highways and rain, not so good for snow. So I would have thought that by now, the truck has 70,000 miles on it, I'd be replacing the tires with maybe some all-weather tires. Those daggone rear dualies still have over 50% of the tread left on them because they're highway tires, and I don't really haul heavy loads on the highway with it, at least not very often. So it's kind of hard to justify going out and spending $2,400 on all-season tires when you've still got 15,000 miles of tread left on your tires. Especially since, for the most part, I only really need it in four-wheel drive for snow, maybe 10, 14 days out of the year. So I've been limping along, waiting for the tires to get wore down enough to justify getting some better tires. This is my life. But a lot of it is self-inflicted, so I can't really complain. Back to the snow. Wow, even with the main doors shut on the barn, the snow is still able to blow in around the outside of the doors and cover the truck. Isn't that just cool? It's hard to see because it's full of sawdust and dirt and mud, but there's still quite a bit of tread left on these tires. Never thought they'd last this long.